In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer to your videos using Clipchamp. Whether you're looking to create a countdown for a variety of purposes, or just want to add a dynamic element to your video editing project, I'll guide you through the steps seamlessly and clearly. So, get comfortable and let's dive in. First, you'll need to access the Clipchamp website. Just open your browser and go to clipchamp.com. Once you're there, you'll want to either sign in or create an account if you haven't done so already. For today's purposes, we'll proceed with the sign in option. Once you click to sign in, you'll be presented with various authentication methods. Choose to continue with Microsoft to streamline the process. After that, just select your Microsoft account and you'll be navigated to the Clipchamp homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, let's create a new video by selecting the option that says Create a New Video. This will set the stage for us to drag in our media and work some magic. Next, focus on importing your media. You do this by selecting Import Media, where you'll pick your video files to upload. Once these files are uploaded, it's a breeze to drag and drop them directly into the timeline. This sets up the main footage onto which we'll add our timer. Now here comes the fun part, adding the timer. Look to the left panel of your Clipchamp interface and go to the text section. You'll want to scroll down within this section until you find a preset option for a timer. Click on it and drag that onto your timeline just like you did with your media files. Place it at the precise section in your timeline where you want the countdown to commence. Once the timer is settled on your timeline, click on it to access customization options. To refine the look or behavior of your timer, return to the text options on the left side. Here you can make your edits. Adjust the text to suit your desired countdown style, whether it's altering font, color, size, or any stylistic specifics. These adjustments ensure your timer blends seamlessly with your video's aesthetics or stands out as a focal element depending on your objective. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a dynamic timer to your video using Clipchamp. This feature not only enhances the interactivity of your video, but also adds a professional touch to any project. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a novice, this method is both intuitive and efficient. Thanks for watching and happy editing with